ready for round 2 of the Pink Buckle. We're just praying for a safe, clean run. Okay, my OOTD for today is More Heights American, my shirt is Sheen, Pink Buckle from last year, Vikes belt, settings, pink Ariat. My jewelry is Kinder Scott, and my nails are by Kim, and they're even for Pink Buckle. And now for Cinch, he's wearing his Quillen leather halter, Naughty Cowgirl breast collar, 5-star pad, Robbie Phillips saddle, 5-star equine black leopard, and his cloud boots, which he wears those just on the gravel and the concrete because he's barefoot back there. And yeah.
Adding Cinch, warming up for round 2. Little hat switch to black because she wasn't feeling the other one.
Ride, horse bred by Andrea Wolf, Sunset, Texas. 17,986 is round number 1. Cinch Be Up to Win. That's a 2011 Sorrel Gelding by BHR Frenchy Sons. Out of Orange White, to by Gold Spring. Renee Smith, be ready on that one. Talk about Cinch Be Up. You cinch up the ride, cinch up to step out the house. Thank you to Cinch, the official Western wear of the Pink Buckle shirts, jeans.
All right, we are done with round 2.
Had a good clean run, and now we're going home. Bye, y'all.